Director ka Health Services Dr. Amanwar ulong ba suki kalaban don kajing hiar kajing sapriang kani kajing pang COVID-19 namar ba kibriu kelas dang banduna kajing ale yawan.
We have to do contact tracing. For one case, 10 people. So these 10 people now, if you multiply that 800, it comes to how much? 8,000. So out of this 8,000, 1,000 plus have come out to be positive. So it's because of that, because of the contact tracing we are doing. It's a good thing that all the cases we are getting, we are taking all the precautions. So let's see, after a few days, because people are now, they are staying put inside their own residence, own houses, they are not mingling. So there's every possibility that this will come down. You'll see gradual. I wouldn't say that it will be a drastic thing, but it will be gradual.
Dr. War ulong rubana kalian jokatna kakoi kakya ki persangkat bala ban pindunai kajing yabriu da ka pin kloy kajing sumar.
Yesterday we had 24. Today we had 10. So people are very, I think people are very aware that if you have the symptoms which needs to be hospitalization, they're coming very fast now. So that is what we have told to them. That is the awareness we have already provided. Then we have got these teams going to different localities. So regarding the casualty, we will try to bring them down, okay, by intervening as early as possible.